Welcome to another session of Learning with ISRAR on ISRAR channel. In today's video presentation, we'll dive into the concept of Management Information Systems, MIS, in supply chain management and explore how it serves as the backbone of modern business operations. We'll walk through a comprehensive overview of how MIS enables seamless data flow across the entire supply chain, from the factory to transportation, warehouses, and finally retail outlets. This end-to-end journey highlights how information moves alongside goods, ensuring visibility, coordination, and efficiency at every stage. More importantly, we'll understand how MIS empowers organizations with real-time insights, supports informed decision-making, and enhances overall supply chain performance from procurement all the way to final customer delivery. In supply chain management, a management information system plays a critical role by enabling real-time data integration across all key functions, including procurement, production, warehousing, and distribution, ensuring a seamless flow of information. It supports demand forecasting and planning by analyzing historical and real-time data to accurately predict demand and optimize inventory levels. MIS also enhances inventory management by tracking stock levels and minimizing both shortages and overstocking. In procurement, it facilitates supplier evaluation, purchase tracking, and effective cost control. Additionally, it provides visibility into logistics and transportation by monitoring shipment status and delivery timelines. Through performance monitoring and reporting, MIS generates key performance indicators and dashboards that support informed decision-making. Finally, it strengthens risk management by identifying potential disruptions and enabling proactive response strategies, ensuring a more resilient and efficient supply chain. The core MIS, Management Information System, in a supply chain operates as a continuous feedback loop that enables effective decision-making and operational efficiency. It begins with real-time data collection, where live updates are received from across the supply chain, including sales, inventory levels, and shipment activities. This data is then processed through information and data analysis to identify trends, inefficiencies, and potential opportunities for improvement. The analyzed information is presented through reporting tools and dashboards, using visual elements such as charts and key performance indicators, KPIs, to support managerial understanding. Based on these insights, managers engage in decision support activities, making informed choices related to procurement planning, logistics routing, pricing strategies, and other operational areas. This entire process functions as a continuous loop. Data is collected, analyzed, transformed into insights, used for decisions, and then generates updated data for ongoing improvement. The key benefits of MIS in supply chain management provide several strategic advantages for organizations. Improved efficiency is achieved through automation, which reduces manual effort and accelerates overall processes. Cost reduction is another major benefit, as better planning helps minimize waste, excess inventory, and logistics-related expenses. MIS also enhances visibility by enabling real-time tracking of goods, orders, and inventory across the entire supply chain, ensuring better control and coordination. In addition, it strengthens customer service by enabling faster deliveries, accurate order fulfillment, and improved responsiveness to customer needs. Supply chain processes include the key stages where MIS is applied, starting with procurement, which involves purchasing raw materials, followed by production where goods are manufactured. The next stage is warehousing, where inventory is stored and managed, and finally distribution, which ensures the delivery of finished products to customers. MIS integrates and connects all these stages by enabling smooth coordination, real-time information flow, and better decision-making across the entire supply chain. Key insights of MIS in supply chain management highlight its critical role in modern operations. MIS acts as the central nervous system of the supply chain, enabling real-time visibility and control over all activities. It supports data-driven decision-making by providing accurate and timely information, allowing managers to respond effectively to changing conditions. Additionally, MIS integrates all supply chain functions into one cohesive system, ensuring seamless coordination and improved overall performance. The key takeaway of our today's presentation is that without a management information system, MIS, supply chains tend to operate in isolated silos, leading to inefficiencies and lack of coordination. However, with the implementation of MIS, organizations can achieve seamless integration across all functions, enhance transparency through real-time information sharing, improved efficiency in operations, and stronger strategic control over the entire supply chain.